If you are dealing with clients with low self-esteem, then it might be good to use self-compassion worksheets to help with their treatment. This type of tool comes in different forms, but they ultimately serve the same purpose, which is to help give them confidence as well as help them find self-love and self-worth, especially during times when they have to go through challenging experiences. These worksheets normally provide exercises for the patient that will help them examine themselves and the negative thoughts they have of themselves, as well as help them find a way to cultivate a better sense of self-love and compassion by nudging them to think of ways to address their emotional needs. On the part of the healthcare professional, the best time to use this is when you have gotten to know your client enough through your sessions to the point that you can tell that they have low self-esteem and they haven't been kind to themselves, both on a physical and emotional level. As for the healthcare professionals, the following can use the Self-Compassion Worksheet: mental health therapists, counselors, psychologists, and psychiatrists. To use our free Self-Compassion Worksheet, follow these steps. Download our Self-Compassion Worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. One of the Self-Compassion Worksheets that we have here comes in epistolary form, and we call it Letters to Yourself. This particular worksheet is easy to accomplish because the client just needs to write a letter to themselves. To help the client frame their thoughts, we have some guide questions and prompts that will hopefully give them the nudge they need to write. Examples of some of the prompts are: what was your upbringing like? What would you consider to be significant experiences that contribute to this negative view of yourself? What do you like about yourself? What are your goals? Once they have finished writing their letter, remind them to read this letter to themselves, to remind them about being kind to themselves and that they are great. Here is a sample of our Self-Compassion Worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our Self-Compassion Worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.